Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Yep, Drone Drop. If you're not familiar with Drone Drop, this is a subscription service where you pay a monthly fee, and then once a month you get a box just like this, and it's a treasure trove of goodies. What you get, you don't know till you open it, so let's do it. Team Black Sheep stickers. Get these with your orders. If you like stickers, I don't sticker anything. Team Black Sheep battery straps there. These are for bigger quads. I'm curious, we got some Cyclone 5050Cs, 2 sets of those, so 8 props. Oh, that's one of those triple feed patches. In the case, both left and right hand. That's kind of nice. I don't know what these are worth. Oh, this is drone. I didn't realize they had their own brand of stuff here. It looks like we've got a flight controller. 3 to 6S. Got a 3 amp back on there. F4. Oh, here. This is the one with the battery connector off the edge. Is this an all-in-one board? No. Anyways, looks like, well, that says it's worth $50 right there. So that alone would pay for the subscription. What is inside the Serious Toys here? Oh, soft mounts. Let's get those out and take a look at them. I have not seen the TBS soft mounts, so I'm curious here. Oh, interesting. Obviously for 22 series motors. Interesting material. So it looks like we get 9 of those. Yes, 9. I wonder why 9. That's 1 spare on 2 quads, I guess. Hey, Pyro Drone. A little beanie or stocking hat, as we call them here in the Midwest. And then in the bottom, oh, a value sheet. I didn't realize they did this either. I have 4 all-in-one. Well, I thought the triple feeds were worth more than that, actually. Beanie at $5. They didn't inflate the price, it doesn't seem like. T-best straps. So, I mean, in short, this is what you get. So you pay a monthly fee, you get a box, you get to open it up, and you get to dig through it and have that same experience that we just had, where you kind of discover what has been sent to you. And obviously the value is there for you to compare. You can also do your own research to compare that value. But these sorts of subscription services have become widely popular, not only in the quad space, but I know my wife has signed up for a couple. She gets what I call Makeup of the Month Club. It's some pink purple package. I just know it's got makeup in it. And she gets Stitch Fix, which is clothing. They have designers that pick out clothing outfits for you, and they send them to her, and then she tries them on, or she looks at them, and then she pays for whatever she keeps. And there's some other fee associated with that. That's not all the details. But here's what I thought was interesting, and this is an aside from the Drone Drop here. Stitch Fix has a subscription for men, too. So I know I hate shopping for clothes. Generally, every Christmas, I get my annual closet renewal. So I'm thinking about signing up for that. So if you sign up for subscriptions, Dollar Shave Club, magazine subscriptions, Drone Drop might be something you consider. You could get things like this, which it does seem like the value is quite high. And it's always fun to get stuff, especially when you don't know what's inside the box. Okay, I'll leave a link down below to the Drone Drop website. If you have any questions for me about what came in the box, please leave those in the section down below. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.